Hi friends, welcome to my channel Best Home Remedies. Today I am going to share best home remedies to reduce period pain instantly. We will use two simple ingredients. First is Nigella seed. Simply take 1 tablespoon of Nigella seed with 1 glass of lukewarm water 2 times a day. You should drink plenty of water when you are using this remedy. If you don't want to eat Nigella seed, you can make Nigella tea. Just take a cup of water, bring to boil it, then add half tablespoon of Nigella seed and boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Then remove from heat and add 1 teaspoon of honey and drink hot. Second ingredient is ginger. Make black tea using 1 small piece of ginger. Drink this tea immediately for quick relief in pain. Use this tea when you feel pain is going to start. Please try these remedies for sure results. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.